I never learned English with teachers. In our current education system, we ignore the emotion. When it comes to language, we need to use our emotions. And every single education system ignore the emotion. Could you not have their own curtains, Marianne? It's literally just only getting dark. You need to get into the story. You need to feel the story. Now you need to act on it. You got the heating on full and curtains wide open. This is the reason why I always study with script. You should have brought an umbrella. Good advice. You should have brought an umbrella. Good advice. No, not this time, no. Why? Would you like an invitation next time? So basically, I was applying every single line that I was seeing in House of Cards, Friends, basically in scripts, to my life. Can we get to plates of chicken wings over here, please? Basically, I use my imagination, and that helps me to experience the scene. First of all, I'm gonna practice English today for like 2 or 3 hours. People and the culture make you wanna use language, you know? Scripts, I bring my scripts with me. So what I recommend to you, wherever you go, you know, bring your scripts with you and practice with them. I will appeal to you who go. In English, you can learn words by memorizing them. I always study. I always work on the 5 minutes or 7 minutes or 10 minutes of the episode every single day. As you guys know, I've been watching Normal People recently. Okay guys, now I'm going to one of my favorite spots in Istanbul. A bit, you know, I want to expose myself to British accent. You're gonna start to gain confidence because you're gonna see the progress. I'm on my way to exhibition right now. In this video, we talked about disclose, or I'm unwealthy, or I might find unsavory. As of today, we are working with Gone Girl. We're gonna play a little game again. Primal questions of any marriage. What are you thinking? What do you think? What's up, jitters? Well, what's up, jitters? Jitters means that, you know, the state of nervousness or feeling anxious. I practice with this script. Today I want to talk about this problem. I don't have enough time. Time is equal to excuses and sacrifices that we make in our lives. Without making sacrifices from the one aspect of your life, you can prioritize one thing. Working is easy. You can study 3 hours or 4 hours a day. That's not the issue. That's not the problem. The problem is focus. The problem is motivation. The problem is energy. You really need to be relentless. In life, no one has a perfect life. Just a very few people actually turn their ideas into reality, take the necessary action and start to work on them. We fear the unknown future. We always think about the what if. What if it doesn't work? What if I fail? I just focus on doing things and making things happen. You know that failures are very important and essential and vital and crucial part of the progress. Like, in order to make a progress, in order to get what you want, you need to fail many times. So basically, idea, passion, loving what you do, and solid work ethic. And also, I've been reading the script of Normal People, and I really like the dialogues in Normal People, so maybe I'll make it into a YouTube video. I don't want to study English. I don't feel like studying English, okay? I have a method. I want to practice with Kennedy, the advantages and disadvantages of learning English with YouTube videos and TV shows. There is a strong story. Like every single scene is a story. Okay, now let's play a little game. I copy the way native speakers speak. When I copy them, I copy the grammar rule. I never learned English with the English educational content on YouTube. Like I never learned English with English teachers. Today we have a very busy day ahead of us, okay? I mean, we're gonna spend the entire day practicing English. Key to success. Okay, what is my opinion on key to success? I want you to change your mindset about learning English. Take every single opportunity, get your scripts and practice the lines like an actor, as if you go on audition, and practice as if you're an actor.